in West Africa. It is about 80 meters high. Its actual name is Abumacha, which means allow me to flow. When you take this water, it's also allow activities like hiking, flow. It is divided into two sectors, which is the higher sector and then the lower sector. The lower sector is mostly popular among visitors. Now heading to where the waterfalls is actually. Let's go. So we've gotten a guard who will guide us to the place, and so we are now starting our journey, and it's about how many minutes to that place? 45 minutes. Jesus. Jesus. Then the place is far.
It's not far.
Hey. Here 45 minutes and you're telling me that it's just here. Hey. So how long have you been here? Since. So this is the job that you have been doing here like all the time?
Not all the time, but yeah, I'll say all the time.
So are you a vegetarian?
Yeah, I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, okay. That's nice. What's the name of this place?
The name of the town is Free. Yeah, but the waterfall is Akumacha.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So it's Flee, Akumacha waterfalls.
Yeah. So how long have you been working? Oh, okay. And how is your experience so far? Like challenges, like how is your experience so far? Do the people give you troubles and?
Yeah, some give trouble and others are nice.
So which kind of troubles did they give you?
Mostly it's when on the way to on a trip.
Okay.
Yeah,
To the
waterfall, especially to the waterfalls.
Okay.
Face or you encounter these people that are like that really bad. They are self-contributed to go and you can't make it sometimes.
Oh, okay.
You see the upper falls, you have
I learned the waterfalls. You have two sectors.
It's like a double door.
Oh, okay.
The upper fall is the one at the top.
At the top. So do people go there?
Yes. The one that you see from the top.
Oh.
When you're at the reception, the waterfall is
Oh, okay.
so Zach's people, the other guy told that Zach was taking some white people back. Yeah, so that's where they went.
They went to the upper side. And do they have like a ground there, like like the lower?
Just like the
lower. Oh,
that's
wow.
But to that point, you see this one?
Yes. So which place is this to? Oh, okay. What do they do? Like, is it like a tourist?
It's a
Oh, okay. So now, you see, nobody is here. So do people come here actually?
a lot.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, then. Oh, okay. This is actually cool though. Before I continue, guys, I want you all to just subscribe, like, comment, share to others, and tell a friend that Amma has posted, and that's on freeway. This is really waterfall. Find myself at the highest waterfalls in West Africa. It is about 80 meters high. Its actual name is Abumacha, which means allow me to flow. It is divided into two sectors, which is the higher sector and then the lower sector. The lower sector is mostly popular among visitors. People are really afraid to go to the top.
This comes and this coming of the fall. It was discovered by a group of hunters who reviewed the sound of the force dropping down, only for them to come and realize it was the sound of the waterfall, which is the waterfall. I'm proud to them, and I like it.
Good.
When you visit any waterfalls, you'll be shown to straight activities like hiking, bird watching, and take pictures.
So this brings us to the end of today's episode. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you want us to explore more, let us know in the comment section. Bye. See you in my next video.
Baby, baby, feeling you. Where we're to, baby, chase.